to enable or disable 24-hour format clock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Date and Time. After click on date and time, you will see use 24-hour format is here. If you want to enable use for 24-hour format, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see use 24-hour format is enabled. If you want to disable use 24-hour format, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see use 24-hour format is disabled. You will enable or disable use 24-hour format from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable 24-hour format clock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.